Welcome back, friends! Hero, what are we gonna do?
Explode!
What are we gonna make explode?
Volcano!
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Tell your friends, are you excited? Hero, what colors do we have?
Rainbow colors.
Are you excited? Do you want to mix them in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Hero, take a toothpick and stick it in the golden yellow color. And mix it in the water. Like this. Let me show you. Like this. Take it from here and go mix, mix, mix. Oh, look, it's turning yellow.
First in the pink color.
Now put pink. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Whoa! What color is it now?
Something that's color.
Is it orange?
Yes.
Whoa! Here, what other color do you want to mix?
Rainbow.
Do you want to mix yellow or do you want to mix maroon?
I'm gonna make this.
You want to do both of them?
Yes.
Okay, here. Whoa, the water's turning orange. Okay, is that enough?
Hooray!
Should we make our volcano explode now?
Yes.
Okay. Here, what do I have in my hand?
There's the water.
This is vinegar.
Vinegar water.
This is 800 milliliters of vinegar. Do you want to put it into our volcano?
Yes.
Come on, let's put it in. Ready? Wow! That's so much vinegar. Uh-oh. And you want to mix our 200 milliliters of orange water?
Yes.
Come on.
Hooray!
Put it in. Whoa! Okay, and let's get 20 milliliters of dish soap. Press the dish soap. Keep going. Do you want to put this into our volcano?
Yes.
Go do it.
Hooray!
Whoa! Okay. Okay, Hero. Do you want to put a cup of baking soda in here?
Yes. Yes.
Put it in. A little bit more.
Uh-oh.
Okay, that's enough.
Hooray!
Okay, Hero. Mix the water and the baking soda. Put it inside.
Yes.
Ready? Oh my god, it's pink. No, it's orange. Ready, Hero?
Yes.
Oh no. Stay back. Hero, what happened?
The glow.
Oh no. It's not stopping.
Hooray!
Bye, friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye. Well, I'm gonna put this right there again.
Yay! Bye.